How to cancel your Uber One subscription. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about canceling your Uber One subscription, and here's how you can do that. First of all, you need to go ahead and log into the Uber One app. After that, select your profile icon and then select Uber One. Then scroll and select the Manage Membership option and then select End Membership. And then end the membership again to cancel your membership. Keep in mind that you can cancel at least 48 hours before your next billing date to avoid charges for the next month. And Uber does not usually give refunds if you cancel in the middle of your billing cycle. So you'll still have access to Uber One benefits until the end of the current period. So canceling a free trial close to the renewal date within 48 hours might still result in a charge. So if you have trouble canceling or need more help, you can go ahead and get help from Uber support and they'll be able to assist you. So that's it for the video. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.